Hello everyone, welcome to OnlineHR. Today we're doing a tutorial for the managers on how to send out codes and rules. Disciplinary codes and rules are important that your employees view it, so we have a way of sending out formal communication on this, and it's recorded if your employees have viewed it. As a manager, you can go in and log in. I'm already logged in, so I land here, and then you go to Disciplinary Code and Rules. Over here you click the button Send New Disciplinary Code and Rules. And then you can just see there's a summary. We have a heading, so if you have general or specific code and rules, here you can add some details just by typing it out. In my case, I have a file that I want to attach that has all the disciplinary code and rules in. I have an option to send out SMSs to notify everyone that a new disciplinary code and rules is available. We send that out, and you can see there's SMSs are sent out, and we have a new one that's sent out. If I click on here as a manager, I can see what I've uploaded, and I can get an overview of my employees if they received it. Now we go to my phone, which is registered as one of the employees, and I go to SMSs. So over here I received a new SMS from my company, Zetra, that says there's a new notification. So when I click on there, I'll land over here. I'm already logged in on my phone, so I get the disciplinary code and rules. This PDF can't be viewed on this phone due to restrictions of Chrome, but I can download the PDF, and over here I can scroll through my document that I received. Right, so as an employee, I've viewed this now. So if you go back to manager and to refresh it, you can see that it's recorded that Arno Klute viewed the document, although I haven't accepted it yet. So if I get back to my phone and I tick this box that says tick here to agree that you received this notice, then it's accepted and I can continue to use the system. Now if we go back to manager here, you can see that it's Arno Klute has acknowledged it, that he did tick the box to say that he did receive this general code and rules. You can also go back to your overview page. On your overview page, you can immediately see if your employees has received the code and rules. Those two employees are orange because they haven't read the codes and rules. That's something basic you want all your employees to just read and accept, so that they are aware of the company's code and rules. That's all for today. See you next time.